Hey, what's up, everyone? It's Dr. Glenn Vo. I'm super excited to have this company that's been hooking us up when it comes to emergency dental kits right here. It's Meds2U, and we got the Operations Manager himself, Nick. Nick, what's up, man?
I'm doing good. How are you?
I'm doing good, man. I'm super happy to have you on. Now, I got to tell you a story. Now, I met the founder of your company, Meds2U, at the Florida Dental Conference. I was there, and it was Bill, who's the pharmacist. He's the founder. I ran into Bill, and he was like, "Look, man, how much are you paying for your emergency kits?" I told him. He was like, "I can save you like a ton of money right there," and he did. And I was like, "Can you bring this to the Nifty community?" And you guys have been saving us money ever since. So again, I want to let you guys know, this is not a company that is just like a fly-by-night company. They've been around for a bit, actually founded by a pharmacist himself. And of course, he brought in Nick as the operations manager. So Nick, I want to ask you this. The first question that everyone asks is, well, if I go with you guys are fairly new and I need this stuff updated all the time. Are you guys just going to sell me a kit and just disappear? No. What's the future plans for your company?
So our plans for the company is, well, we do plan to grow. We do plan to.
So you're not gonna just like sell some kits and just bounce out of there.
No, we track all the drugs for you guys. It tells us when the drugs are about to expire and everything. So
that's super important because again, like I don't have time to. Look, I want to buy the kit. I don't have time to keep up with that. I'm like a dentist. I'm like trying to work and stuff like that. I'm not trying to keep up with my kit, you know. And so again, for those who are worried about that, you say you can keep track of it.
Yeah, we could do everything for you guys. You guys, you know, as Dr. Vo said, you guys are all busy. We usually send the drugs out, 30 days before expiration, track all of that for you guys. Yeah,
and
trying to make your
our lives easier.
Yeah,
I love it. I love it. And so again, I lead with the fact that again, I met the founder, Dr. Bill Huynh. He is a pharmacist.
Yeah.
Right. So again, this is not like just a couple of Asian dudes got together and trying to sell some drugs on the side. I mean, it's a pharmacist, and honestly, you need a pharmacist on because you can't be selling this stuff unless you have a pharmacist on staff, right?
Yeah. All of our drugs, we keep instructions on there for them as well. So just in case, if you guys forget what they do, we do have all the instructions on there for you. And then usually the pharmacist is the one that checks all of that.
Now I wanna just dive into it. So here's the kit right here. Here's the kit right here. And again, it has everything. Now, again, I'm sure you guys get people coming up to you and saying, well, is this gonna have all the drugs I need?
Yeah.
How do you guys ensure that you have all the drugs that we need?
We usually look at the code of regulations, and then we base everything off of that. And then off of that, we just add that into the kit. And then if you're from a different state, we do add in that other item that we have missing from that kit as well too.
Yeah. So let's dive right into it. So again, normal kit like this. I'll let you walk us through here. Normal kit like this. What does it have in this kit?
This is the basic kit right here that we have for the demo. It will come with 2 epinephrine vials. And then it has nitroglycerin tablets, 2 of the diphenhydramine injectables, glucose, ammonia towelettes, 2 syringes, the pediatric and the adult. You get 4 of them, so 2 each. Albuterol and also a CPR mask on that as well.
Oh, nice.
And then the difference from our kits is just the form of epinephrine. So the standard kit would come with 1 EpiPen and the 1 epinephrine vial. And then the advanced kit would just be 2 of the pens.
Okay.
And then for the standard kit, if you do only pediatric dentistry or a pediatric office, we could just switch out that adult pen with the pediatric pen. Just let us know, and then we'll switch it out. Pretty easy for you guys.
So one of the big things that people are always worried about, all right, they're always worried about is like sometimes there's like backlogs, or shortages of certain drugs and whatnot. That could be very catastrophic for some offices. Again, trying to be in compliance. What do you say to those when people are worried? Like, well, can you guys get access to these things?
Well, we order straight from the manufacturer, from the supplier, so it's pretty easy. Usually, we haven't had a problem yet. But we usually have like some in stock just in case. We do buy a little extra. But usually we do just order as someone orders through us. So we always have the expirations always on the top instead of we always guarantee 1 year expiration.
As opposed to like, we don't know if we can get that or whatnot. That's always something that people are always worried about. Now, the pricing that you guys have for these kits, and again, Meds2U, we do have a Nifty deal. We'll talk about the Nifty deal later. But this kit right here, I mean, it is so much more affordable than the other ones. So we have to ask you, man, are you getting like some kind of like black market deals or something like that? Like, well, why can you guys offer this at such a great price?
So we are a pharmacy, and the owners are pharmacists, so they want to do what's right. They don't want to charge too much. We don't pay, like the executives, like CEO and executives. We only have 6 employees, so not much to pay, the employees. But, we just want to make things right.
Yeah.
Keep the costs low.
So you have a lean and mean operation there. You don't have like a huge staff. You have the lean operation, and you pass along the savings to us.
Yeah.
Awesome.
We just want to help the dental community.
Now, so before we get into like what the special deals are and whatnot, but like what's the lead time to get one of these? Like, what's the lead time? Like, if someone places, if they're here and they place an order, how long does it take for them to get there?
Usually, if it's from events, it'll probably maybe be like a week. But usually, like a call-in order, or if you go through our website, we could probably do it that day of, and then shipping should take like 2 days. So it should take around like 3 days. At most,
Not that long at all.
Yeah, not that long at all.
So I have to ask you this. I have to ask you this because again, you guys are getting into new territory. You're working with dentists and whatnot. What's your favorite thing about working with dentists?
My favorite thing is, I would say the staff is always so friendly. They're so nice. Every time I call them, I'm like, just these drugs are about to expire. It was always so nice talking to them. Yeah.
So it's a team. So
the
again,
team's very nice.
No, we appreciate that. So okay, now we're at SmileCon. And people who are watching this right now, I mean, they're obviously, if you were at SmileCon and you walked by their booth and you didn't take advantage of this deal, shame on you. Okay, shame on you. But it's okay. I'm going to give you an out. What's the special deal that you guys are running right now for the Meds2U?
So for Meds2U, the deal right now that we're doing is if you purchase a kit right now is 25 off and free shipping.
Nice.
So the cheapest kit that we have right now, which is the basic kit, the 2 epinephrines, the epinephrine vials, that one is $269.99, and then the standard kit will be $399.99, and then advanced kit will be $599.99.
And you heard that right, because if you guys know, for those who have a practice, these kits are super expensive. Okay, like this is like that's like a freaking deal. On top of that, you get the discount as well. So Nick, okay, before we jump off here, any last words or comments to our community? Anything?
Thank you for supporting us. Thank you for supporting Nifty. Everything. I appreciate you guys.
And if they call in, chances are they're going to be talking to you.
95% of the time is going to be me answering the phone. If I'm not at the events, I'm at the pharmacy, answering the calls.
And if you have questions, this guy, he loves talking to the team, right? If you have any questions and whatnot, just reach out to him. Nick, thank you so much for jumping on.
Thank you very much for having me.
And thank you. And guys, Meds2U right here. Again, we have a Nifty deal with them. Reach out to them, and chances are, if you're calling, you're probably talking to this guy right here. Thanks, guys. We'll see you next time.
Thank you, guys.